description.
Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got a snack noodle from South Korea. This is Ppushu by Ottogi. Yeah. Barbecue flavor. So, what is it? It's a thing. And what this thing is a snack. Okay? One sachet. I'm going to show you how to prepare this snack using not the exact method, but the exact method, except for it's clear. So here's the noodle block. This is a lot of snack. You drop, you just open the little bag, and you've got that in there. But then you also have this. And this is kind of like, I don't know, a lot of people did this. They'd crack open a pack of top ramen or whatever was cheap. See, we're putting the sachet contents into the bag. And then what you usually do is just like hold it shut and then go. But I'm just going to do it with the least chance of mess makery. So what I'm doing is this. And it says on the package, don't boil it, smash it. Okay? On an upcoming episode, you're going to see me boil it. Cook it, drain it, add the seasoning, stir it up, and see what happens. Anyways, here it is. You can see that there's seasoning in here. So we're just going to crunch it up. See? I'm following the directions. That's what it says to do. Then, once you do that, if you're going to do it like I'm doing it, so you can store it and, I don't know, take it camping or to the game or something. I don't know. There's something funny about this stuff that gets me every time. There we are. We're all ready. We have our bag of kibble. I call anything that you would put in a bag like this kibble. And you got your bite-sized pieces. I liked the other two that I've done recently, but I don't like this one. What don't I like about it? It's kind of smoky. I don't mind smoky, but I just don't. I don't know. This flavor profile just does not give me any feeling of joy or happiness or say, I could nosh on that all day. No. They make a million flavors of this. And they're generally inexpensive. I don't think I've ever seen it in 5-packs. That's interesting. Alright, watch it rotate. Really not that exciting today on this one. Alright, so it's kind of like I'm doing 3 days in a row of episodes that are from Korea. So that one, the last one was that udon. And the next one is this. This is bulldog sweet and spicy Korean style chicken. I've had the Korean version and I liked it. I had the Korean version of the Rose Bulldog and I liked it. And I had the US version of the Rose Bulldog and I thought it tasted like noodles that were covered in Chick-fil-A sauce. Wow, I haven't taken pretty pictures of this and I was ready to like get rid of it. So we'll see about what I have to say about that next one. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.